Frederick Host, and I shall be your host for this evening.
In today's episode of Nature's Finest, I will be showing you the exquisite bucket species. It is a rare and very wonderful species, only found in schoolyards like this. Now if you just follow me, I believe I see something up ahead. Now, if you're very quiet, you can just zoom down that hill. Yes. Just down there, you'll see a rare member of the bucket family, a very wonderful spectacle indeed. Now, as you may notice, it lies in wait, often under taps, to wait for someone to turn the nozzle so that water will flow into it. Now, this one is very special. It is a Squarus Bucketus. It is a member of the square bucket family, and it is green for a very important purpose, and that is to hide in the nearby grass, to hide from any surrounding predators that may want to steal its fluids. Now, if you can get a shot down there of the tap to see exactly what the bucket is doing. Now get a close-up shot. All right, sir. Oh, you can zoom down there. Oh yes, fantastic. Now we must be very quiet indeed, because we've managed to sneak up on this very wild creature. We've managed to sneak up on the bucket while it's waiting for fluids. It doesn't seem to notice us, so let's try and keep it that way. Now you may be able to get a close-up of this wonderful animal. Look down here, it's letting us get very close indeed. You'll notice how it lies in wait for water to come out of the tap and into its container-like body. Fantastic. You'll notice its shape and color is very camouflaged in the surrounding environment. That's so that nearby predators don't come up and steal its fluids for themselves. And even though it is well camouflaged with its surroundings, that doesn't stop some certain predators from getting to it. I believe I see one of them now. It is a wild beast. We better stay back. It not only goes after buckets, but after humans as well. It is stealing the creature's fluids. No, shoo, wild beast. I'm going to try and save this animal. Shoo. I've seemed to frighten it off, but the creature itself is dying. It's very distraught. Don't you dare dial me, Bucket. It's okay. You're going to be okay now. You'll be all filled up with fluids soon, I promise. It looks like the creature is making a full recovery. As soon as it's filled up with fluids, it'll be back on its buckety feet in no time. I seem to have saved the bucket and topped it up with some fluids. Seems to be rather happy now and has grown quite attached to me. Although it may not show it, it is in my debt. Here on Nature's Finest, we see some wonderful animals, and we also get to save some as well. Luckily for us, the predator's coming! The predator has returned. It doesn't seem frightened by what I did to it earlier. It is quite a foul beast, isn't it? It's going after the bucket. No, foul beast, go! Be gone! And with that, the foul beast runs back into its den. We must see how this creature is holding up. It is It is dead. Here on Nature's Finest, we experience some wonderful animals and some extraordinary nature. But we also, unfortunately, experience some tragic losses, like that of our fellow bucket creature. Thank you for watching today's episode of Nature's Finest. I hope you enjoyed. Good night.
Label man said, son, now can you sing a little bit more clear? Said your voice might be too genuine, the song's a little too sincere. Can you sing a little more about outlaws and the way things used to be? Told me you just worry about writing them songs, leave everything else to me. Daddy was a highwayman, but he never wrote any old country song. Papa never stayed out raising hell till the break of dawn. But he raised a proud coal miner's daughter, and I'm proud to be her son. She told me, boy, I don't care if you hit it big, because you're already number one. That's the way it goes. This day